is up, you guys? I am back in Target and it's kind of crowded today, so I'm gonna make this intro quick, but we are about to head into the dressing room and try on some clothes. It's all gonna be brand new fall stuff. You guys will be excited, and I'm gonna try and make it a transitional type of haul. I did see a lot of sweaters. I did not pick any of those because it's still gonna be warm for a couple months, right, you guys? All right, so come with me into the dressing room and let's try on some clothes. Hi guys, so I am just showing you what I wore to Target. There is my Louis Vuitton Speedy bag dupe. I'm wearing, of course, a black tube top, my scoop flatbed or footbed sandals, and then those gorgeous green cargo pants from Walmart. I will make sure to link as much of this outfit as possible below. Now let's get into the Target clothing. Here I am wearing the really cool like 90s straight leg jean, you guys. I'm wearing them in a size 6. Oh, and I'm showing you my sandals. Those have like a knotted band, 2 actual bands that go over. I just grabbed a pair of neutral shoes. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you some fall shoes as well. And then you guys, this cardigan is by Universal Thread. I highly recommend it. I bought it last year and returned it. I just bought it for a haul. I wish I had kept it, so I'm getting one this year. Look, you guys, it has pockets. It's great to go over camis with jeans. And then here I am just showing you without the cardigan, a good look at those jeans. I'm wearing them in a size 6, and I'm actually glad I sized up. I'm loving things baggy and loose in jeans, and I do believe that's the trend right now. Those smaller type shirts, maybe bodysuits, etc., with the baggy jeans is what everyone is wearing. And then of course you can put the you can put the cardigan over top as well to transition right into fall, you guys. Okay, next up, I am wearing an A-line midi skirt, and this one does button and zip in the front, but the back is elastic. I'm wearing it in a size 4. Like I said, it's a midi length, and I absolutely love the tie in the front and those patch pockets. I paired it with a green bodysuit. Green is trending for fall. This is sort of like that pea green I talked about earlier that I saw in New York City. Definitely a fall color, you guys, and I thought this was so cute. You certainly can pair a cropped cardigan right over this entire look, and then maybe a pair of clogs would be cute. Again, I'm going to show you some fall shoes during this video. I just grabbed this neutral pair of sandals to get through my little haul in the dressing room. All right, you guys, I'm in love with this look. It is screaming fall 2023. So just showing you the shirt quickly, it is sort of like a compression shirt, and I absolutely love it. I think that high neck is so flattering. It does come in a scoop neck if that is something you prefer, in tons of colors. Let's look at these pants. They're trouser style, which is on trend. I'm wearing them in a size 4. They do have a small plaid or check print on there. Not sure if you can tell. They are fitting me perfectly in that size, and they look absolutely adorable with that little top. You can certainly, again, put a denim jacket on or even a blazer, and guess what? There is a matching blazer that you can purchase as well that has that same print on there. I am just totally loving these, you guys, and I think you will too. Okay guys, next up you see me dancing, and you know why, because I'm in all black. One thing about the cooler weather is I get to pull out all of my black. And by the way, there's something I do, which is get a new fresh pair of black pants each season. Why not? These are perfect. They are in that, again, that trouser style that is currently trending, a nice wide leg. These are a little lighter, and the back is elastic, you guys, so they're super comfy. Just showing you now that sort of corset shirt, and it is from Wild Fable. I'm in love. I'm wearing that one in a size medium, and I think it looks so cute with this entire look. Even if I paired that cream colored cardigan that I showed you earlier over this whole look, that would be cute. Again, a denim jacket would be cute, or even a shorter cardigan. All right guys, just showing you a dress that I grabbed from Knox Rose. You guys know I love their dresses. This one's sort of a midi length. I am wearing it in a size extra small. I would absolutely have preferred a small, so go true to size. It is a real wrap dress. You do tie it on the inside and then the belt around the waist, little side tie there. It has 2 tiers at the bottom, and I love the details. It's got pockets. They put little tassels at the end of the tie. It's adorable, you guys. What's not to love about a classic black and white polka dot? You can certainly add a small, short cardigan to this and make it appropriate to take you right into fall. All right, guys, I am super excited about this skirt. This is by Future Collective. It is a special collection, I guess, by Alani Noel, and it's my first time trying any of her clothing line on. Now, I grabbed the skirt in medium. I definitely need the small. You're gonna see me tugging at it and pulling on it in the back just there, showing you how much room I have. By the way, that is my own black tube top, but of course I can link a black tube top from Target for you. And I absolutely love the pattern on this. It ties at the front. I love the length. It is so flattering and gorgeous, you guys. I could see it with a black turtleneck and some black boots, taking you right into the end and chillier parts of fall. I'm in love with this neutral look. You guys know I love a neutral look, so I'll make sure to link that one for you guys below. All right, this next one, I'm really showing you this gorgeous plain white dress shirt. It's cropped, you guys. Yes, it comes in other colors. It's adorable. I am wearing it in a size small. I left it open because I left my black tube top on underneath, but you can certainly button it up and wear it with anything. It would even look adorable with those plaid pants I showed you earlier. Now, these jeans I'm showing off, I will link. However, I don't know how much stock there is left on them. They are on clearance. They're in a wide leg by Universal Thread, and I'm wearing them in a size 4. I'm in love with them, so I hope that you guys can get them if it's something that you want. That completes the try-on portion, but you guys, I went through the store and found some faves. Look at these gorgeous dresses. They're long sleeve. They come in all 3 of those colors. They are perfect for fall, especially to wear with those mules or clogs or even flats that you guys have to have a really cute and comfy outfit. Again, of course, they would look good with a denim jacket, and so would this cute faux wrap dress. It comes in black and then that pink behind it, which I will show you. I grabbed it and was amazed at the quality of that thick material. It is gorgeous, you guys. A denim jacket would absolutely be gorgeous with this look. And then there is that pink color as well. Would you call that pink? I kind of do. But I think this one is great. And I love that little knotted wrap front right there. Okay, you guys. And then check this short sleeve sort of mock turtleneck shirt out. It's very lightweight, perfect for fall. I always love a high neck. I think that just stands out beautifully. And it especially looks good with trousers that I'm showing you everywhere, you guys. Do a nice, pretty, slick back ponytail and you will be all set. So I was traveling up front to check out the jewelry, passed by the pajamas. You guys, look at these little sets. They're fuzzy and soft. They come with a tank and then those adorable shorts. I love the waistband on those shorts. You know they're comfy. And those fall colors are just killing me. I think they would be so adorable for PJs, and they'd make a great gift, you guys, don't you think? All right, let's look at the shoes. So check these mules out, you guys. Aren't they adorable? I love the matching chain over the toe sort of there, or the top. And they come in that cognac sort of color. They also come in black, which we all could use, I know. And I just absolutely thought these would be cute, again, with those trouser pants. And then last but not least, they do come in an ivory as well. I love that they match the chain link to the shoe color instead of giving it like a gold or a silver. I think that just totally modernizes that look. And next up, I have a pair of clogs. You guys, I love platform clogs. I have a few from Walmart and Target as well, and these are adorable. I will make sure to link those below. And you guys, guess what's back as well? Yep, the penny loafers. They're back again this year. They have them in ivory. I like that lug sole. That's certainly still trending from last year. And of course, they do come in black as well. Everything you see here, as I said before, will be linked below. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Your girl is a mess and I haven't eaten all day. It's time to get home, but I loved looking at all the new fall things here at Target. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Not one good bit of lighting in here, you guys. I hope you all have a great 2 days, and I will see you back here on Wednesday. Bye, everyone.